Assalamu alaikum dear students. Today we are going to start with new chapter, that is Industry and Trade of History Standard 9. In this chapter we are going to gather some information about his industries and trade in India in the post-independence period. After India became independence, the Industries Finance Corporation of India was established in 1948 with the purpose of making available long-term loans and industrial projects. Similarly, the Industrial Development Corporation was established in 1954 in order to bring about the greater development of industrial sector. See, India is known as an agricultural country. 70% of populations, in agriculture. But after the independence, that is post-independence era, we started focusing on trade and industries. In that, we will, if the industries will going to increase, what happened? The more employment, the more income of people will increase. The standard of living will going to be increased because of industrial and trade. So let's start with the chapter. Some industries in India. First of all, first one is textile industries. Bhiwandi is the one of your city is also most popular in industrial sector, that is textile. The textile industry forms 14% of total industrial production. It includes the power loom and the handloom industries. The handloom industries are labor incentive. According to the Textile Committee Act 1963, a textile committee has been established. This committee sets the quality standards for textile manufacturer for sale in the internal market as well as export. See, the textile industries are in very much in popularity because we wear different kind of clothes, and every state according to their different geographical location wears the clothes, and that's why the textile industries get lots of encouragement or the popularities. So they have made one committee that's called Textile Committee Act 1963. In this we have given the textile in a large scale import as well as export sectors. Now, silk industry. This industry functions under the Ministry of Textiles. The research about the species of the silkworms and mulberry trees is done the Cerebratics Research Laboratory at Bengaluru. This industry is primarily in the state of Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh, West Bengal and Jammu and Kashmir. Now it's being spread in the state and predominantly tribal populations. See, what happened? Have you heard about the silkworm? The insects, or you can say the species which produce the silk or the cotton, and then it's transferred into the silk. So this was in popular and very much in south, that is Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh and West Bengal, or even in the north, even Jammu Kashmir. So this silk industries are very popular in south. Have you seen the south girls mostly, or women, they mostly wear the silk saris. So this is another industrial sector which give employments to the people. Now, jute industry. India is top of ranking country in the jute production. India is a major exporter of jute product. We get clothes, stuck clothes and the ropes from jute. Now, the jute industry. Apart from textile and silk industry, jute is also have lots of top ranking in India. Why? Because we get lots of things from jute industries, rope and the clothes or the sack which is mostly used in the godowns and all. So it comes from jute. We'll see till here. Next we will continue in next lecture. Thank you.